Welcome, Master Designers. Greetings, my old friends. Welcome to the last episode from the Master Design project. We've been through a lot these past years. Starting off at Charizard, to Greymon, all the way here. This might be the last episode I ever draw for the entire year. Possibly the last. If you're watching this, I've already gone to college and gotten started on pursuing my goals, traveling across America, getting my quest for fame and power. I wouldn't have gone this far without you guys. Nick, Ava, Ty, Eddie, everyone. Time to bring on some music. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Jan on Amazon Music.
What better music than by Alexa herself? This last design will be named Mr.Dna. One of the main protagonists from Jurassic Park. He is known to be the park's mascot for the whole Jurassic Park series. From what I've learned, he is highly intelligent despite his personality, and he's really smart. And well, I've only seen him once. He made a return on Jurassic World. He even had his own Lego version. It's amazing. We all know that DNA is made up of, well, it's the source of the whole universe. Where would you be then if you had this? You'd be right here. That's where. Anyway, there he is. Mr.Dna. Didn't take too long. This is my last episode for the whole year. Possibly the last. I don't know when I'm gonna do this again. I might spare some time. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this. If you wish to watch the first episode, you can watch it at the end of the playlist. After this episode ends. We've had a lot of twists and turns, went on a lot of big adventures. We drew the biggest bosses. We drew the greatest heroes. And the most powerful monsters. And my favorite, dinosaurs. I'm glad I got to enjoy this with you guys. We've been through so much. We even got to see Jurassic World live. That was a blast. Anyway, I'm glad you guys got to see me watch this. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on YouTube and Twitter. And to watch more episodes like this, check out the playlists in the back. I don't know when I'm gonna start drawing more, but thank you guys for your support. I wouldn't have gotten this far without you guys. You have been a big experience for me. Friends, family, everyone, even my dog, Cabo. I love you guys. You and I have been through a lot, seeing every picture that I've drawn, and you can still follow more on my Twitter account. And I promise, one day I will return and draw up the best monsters and designs a boy can ask for. Good night, guys. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell, and good night. I dedicate this message to everyone that lives in New York, my home. And, well, if you're watching this, I consider this as my life goal and purpose. I hope to see you guys again in the distant future. I've got everyone I love by my side, and probably by now I've already gotten 1,000 subscribers.
By the way, you have a new notification. Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a coastal flood advisory for West Hills. It'll be in effect from September 15th, 7 p.m. EDT until September 17th, 5 a.m.
I'll be aware of that. Alright, guys. Until now, I probably have uploaded new additions to the playlist. And if you're watching this, I promise, remember these words. Never stop evolving. There are no limits to what you can or can't do. When you put your soul into it, you can do anything. Heaven, you can even achieve Ultra Instinct. Amazing, huh? Anyway, this is my last chance. Farewell, everyone.